Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets in just a few ways or few steps. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is just open a document that you wanted to share to someone. So as you can see on my screen guys, so I have a two tabs here, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So if you want to share this only tab to anyone, all you need to do is go to the sheet 1 and there's a arrow down here and do a copy. So I'm going to choose a new spreadsheet. Okay, so click open, and after that, so here we go. So you can choose to here share to anyone. Okay, so it's up to you how you're going to share this, and of course there's another way to share this tab. Of course, say you can also do this one. So erase everything, so just type equals import range and just have to copy the link of this tab if you want to share it to anyone. Okay, so just space it here and comma, and what's the name of this sheet is sheet number 1 with an exclamation point and from A to Z. So okay, you just need to allow the access. Okay, here we go. So we're good to go guys. So if you don't want them to, if you edit some kind of information here, you can put in there, and yeah, it will just add up. Okay, there you go. And then this tab is not editable. Okay, as you can see, so you can also protect this guys. So just click protect range, so set permissions, and you can restrict anyone and set custom, so you can specify who's you're going to restrict to edit this tab. Okay, just click done. So thank you. I hope you learned and you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Google Sheets. Thank you.